This right here is the JBL PartyBox Ultimate. Let's jump right in. Let's start off with the design. The PartyBox Ultimate's design is bold and dynamic, featuring a distinctive figure 8 light show that is both visually captivating and functional. This design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to the speaker's immersive lighting effects. The speaker's silhouette emphasizes its superior original JBL Pro sound with a dynamic edge that highlights its presence even in low light environments. The integration of RGB lighting around the woofers and strobe effects adds to its visual impact, making it a centerpiece at any event. Weighing approximately 87 pounds, the PartyBox Ultimate is a substantial piece of equipment. Despite its size, I was still able to carry it by myself, but it's definitely a two-man job here. But anyways, JBL has incorporated practical features to aid in mobility. The speaker is equipped with sturdy wheels and an easy-to-grip handle, allowing for easier transport to various venues. However, due to its weight and its size, it's best suited for locations where it can remain stationary once set up. The IPX4 splash-proof rating ensures that the speaker can withstand light splashes, making it suitable for outdoor events and poolside parties. All of the controls are located on the top. There are two knobs in the front, one for cycling through different light effects and the other one for volume. It also has pause and play and a light on and off button in the center of each knob. Behind that, you'll find the Bluetooth pairing button, a multi-speaker connection button, a heart button to directly access your playlists and speaker settings, and the bass boost button. Then, behind that is the party pad, where you can select special sound effects and almost be like a little DJ. And then all the way in the back are the karaoke controls with a phone slot right behind it. For a more detailed customization, the JBL One app provides users with the ability to control music playback, adjust EQ settings, and fine-tune the light show to match the desired ambiance. There's some more controls and ports on the back. There's a mic socket, a USB-A port, another mic socket that also works as a guitar socket, and then we have the guitar gains, mic gains, and daisy chain ports. The PartyBox Ultimate boasts an impressive 1100 watts RMS output, featuring dual 9-inch woofers, 4.5-inch mid-range drivers, and 2.75-inch tweeters. This configuration delivers thunderous deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, ensuring a balanced sound profile suitable for various music genres. It's definitely the loudest party speaker I have heard so far. With its high output and premium components, the PartyBox Ultimate can project sound over long distance without noticeable drop in clarity. In real-world use, it performs exceptionally well in large rooms, backyards, and even open fields. The speaker's performance remains consistent even at high volumes, providing clear and vibrant sound without distortion. I rarely ever use it beyond 50% volume inside. Additionally, the PartyBox Ultimate supports Dolby Atmos when streaming over Wi-Fi, providing an immersive 3D audio experience. However, this feature requires compatible content and services like Tidal or Amazon Music, and its effectiveness may vary depending on the track. Unlike other PartyBox speakers, this one does not have a built-in battery, so something to keep in mind if you're looking for a portable speaker. Overall, the JBL PartyBox Ultimate is an uncompromising, high-performance party speaker designed for those who want both massive sound and immersive visuals. If you need a speaker for casual backyard tunes, this might be an overkill, but if you're planning large-scale events, dance parties, or live performance, the PartyBox Ultimate is one of the most capable and entertaining party speakers available today. Playing music at 25% volume. Now let's turn it up to 50%. Way too loud, but let's do 100%. About to start an earthquake, a mini earthquake. Here we go.
50%.